The UI UX job is in trend so much. Many people want to be a designer and many want to change their current roles to be a designer. But what exactly does a UI UX designer do? In this video, I'll talk about UI UX design, what it is, what does a UI UX designer do, and what are the job opportunities for a UI UX designer. So let's jump right into the video. Hey everyone, my name is Ankit. I am a self-taught UX UI designer and I create content on UX UI design. Now, what exactly is UI and UX design? UID stands for User Interface Design and UXD stands for User Experience Design. UX design is a very wide subject and UI is a part of UX. Many people are thinking that we can only learn UI or UX. The answer is strictly no. You have to learn both because UI and UX both go hand in hand. Let me give you an example. If you are using an app with an amazing UI and a bad UX, then you will be frustrated because you don't know how the app works, even if it looks amazing. And if you are having a good UX and the app is looking really bad, then you will be automatically thinking that the app won't work or the app is not good. So you have to learn both UI as well as UX. Yes, in future you will be able to select one of them as your job or both if you want. You can be a UI designer or a UX designer or even a UI UX designer. But there is no option to learn one of them. Now, what does a UX UI designer do? Let me explain it in this way. We have a product which is in a form of a website. So the developers are the one who will be developing the website. So if there are no designers, the developer will make one sample, then the sample will have problems in it and it will be asked to the developers that we want these changes and you have to change your code again. Now, this is a repetitive process until we get the desired result. So to help the developers, we need designers to make these iterations and design beforehand. What else does a UX UI designer do? Any product, no matter what it is discussed in a closed room with the company members. But the product will be used by the people, so we need to understand what the users need. You cannot build something for others if you are not thinking from their perspective. You are not designing the product for yourself, so why are you considering our needs? In this case, UX designers come into play when we break the bridge between the users and the product so that we can create a better user experience and solve the user problems. How much do UX UI designers get paid? I'll directly say it, there is no bar for your skills, but let's break it down into pieces. If you have 0 to 1 year of experience, you can expect a salary range of 3 to 8 LPA. Now, this is not for every type of company. A company like Google or Microsoft will be giving a much better salary, but they do need skilled designers as well. After 2-3 years of experience, designers can expect a salary range of 10 to 15 LPA. Now, if I said that this can be the expected salary, then it doesn't mean you will be getting this salary. If you have made no improvements in yourself, then you might get stuck at one salary. So focus on your skills and you will continue getting paid for it. What are the jobs that you can apply for? Anything that is having a user experience or an interface can be designed by a UI UX designer. Let's say a watch brand. For a digital or smartwatch, there is an interface and there is a user experience that is related to it. So you can be a designer in a company that sells digital or smartwatches. You can be a designer who designs websites or applications. This is a tech field and any tech company having digital products will need a designer. Now, I won't be spoon feeding you that to apply for this brand or that brand. You are a UX designer or an aspiring UX designer. Get your research mode on and find it yourself now. Search on Google or explore LinkedIn. That is it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right now. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section. And see you till next time.